Today on Free Field Training, we're celebrating 100,000 subscribers. I want to thank everybody that was there during my original video when it was first put out, who encouraged me to continue on and try to build the channel into something great. And I want to thank everybody that just came on and encourage you all to continue watching all the videos. We've got great stuff coming out. To celebrate 100,000 subscribers, Galls contacted me and said they wanted to do a giveaway on the channel. And they want to know what you guys would think is cool and what you guys would want if we were to do a giveaway. And I found on their website a kit that they do. And it's a duty belt minus the holster. So it's a belt and pouches and all the pouches you would need to carry your stuff on duty as a cop or a security guard. And it's in black ballistic nylon. They couldn't ship it to me to do the giveaway because there's so many options. And they said we'll work it out between us what exactly you want, and then they'll ship it to you. So here's the giveaway rules. You have to live in the US or Canada. You have to be a subscriber to my channel and my Instagram page. There's going to be links for both of those in the description. And to Gall's YouTube channel and Instagram page, and there's going to be links to that. So you subscribe to all four of those, and then leave a comment down below about why you need a brand new duty belt and a bunch of accessory pouches. I'm going to put a link for exactly what we're talking about down below so you can see what it is and that you could actually use it, although I can't imagine a lot of people who watch this who couldn't use it for something. Leave me a comment, and then when the channel gets to 110,000 subscribers, we'll do a drawing, and some lucky person who is subscribed to all of the stuffs and left a cool comment is going to win a brand new duty belt kit. That's the deal. I want to thank everybody for sticking around on the channel for so long. I want to thank everybody who gave on Patreon. I want to thank all the companies that have sent me free stuff that I was then able to bring to you. Until next week, guys, be safe, take care of each other, and keep sending me ideas for new cool videos. Hey, thanks for watching Free Field Training on YouTube. While you're here, why don't you go check out one of our other videos, or you can head on over to the Patreon and say I can get your name put on the videos like these fine folks listed over here. There's also some exclusive content on Patreon that just shows you kind of behind the scenes like you're seeing now. We'll see you guys next time.